Hi, my name is Mateusz and I'm a test automation engineer at ConsultRed. Today I would like to show you the demo that our team presented during the 2025 RDK Tech Summit in London. It attracted quite a bit of interest from OEMs, SAC vendors, and internet service providers. This demo brings together two key technologies that are shaping today's broadband devices to demonstrate a smart home management software, home assistant platform, running directly on the router. The first of these technologies is containerisation, a method that lets us package applications in isolated, secure environments and then install and run them in a modular way. We talked more about this topic in one of our early videos. The second key technology we used is Thread, a low-power network protocol designed for smart home and IoT use. It's a good alternative for Wi-Fi for devices that run on a battery power. Devices using Thread usually adhere to the Matter standard, which helps with interoperability and compatibility between devices from different manufacturers. These devices also automatically form a mesh network, helping to extend smart home coverage. Our setup includes BananaPi BPI-R4, the official RDK-B reference platform based on MediaTek Logic SoC. It's a powerful board with capable CPU and memory specs. Thread dongle, a small USB stick that lets us connect to a Thread network. Since the BananaPi doesn't have Thread radio built-in, we added it as an external accessory. EVE-Motion wireless motion sensor. This sensor can detect motion and changes in lighting. It works over Thread and supports Matter. Typo P100 smart plug. A Wi-Fi based smart plug we'll use to control a light bulb. It operates on the 2.4 GHz band. Smartphone with the Home Assistant pre-installed application. It's connected to the router via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Our software stack includes the official RDK-B build for the BananaPi BPI-R4, USPPA, and Purple LCM features. On top of that, we integrated an OpenThread border router to manage the Thread radio. To control the device remotely, we use Incognito Auto-Configuration Server, an ACS that allows device management by the operator. All communication is handled via the USP-TR369 protocol, which is a broadband forum standard. To demonstrate containerized application delivery, we are running a full Home Assistant server inside a container. It works well on the powerful BananaPi BPI-R4 board. On production routers with less memory, it might require trimming or optimization. With everything ready, we can start the demo. As you can see, Incognito ACS shows that the device is provisioned and online. In the Overview tab, we see key details like sync status, IP address, and installed containers. Under the Smart Home Services section, we see two containers. One is a Matter server for handling communication between smart devices. The other one is Home Assistant, a smart home management platform. The router is the perfect host for applications like this because it is at the heart of the customer's home network and is always on. Let's start the Matter server. Now, let's start the Home Assistant application. At this point, the router becomes a full smart home hub where the user can configure automations and control device behavior. Let's show a real-life example now. We configured a rule for the EVE-Motion sensor to control the Typo smart plug. When the sensor detects movement, it triggers the plug, and the light bulb switches on. Although the containerized Home Assistant application is available at the router's IP address on designated port, we'll connect our phone to the router's Wi-Fi and open the Home Assistant mobile application. Let's walk through adding the Matter device. To add it, the phone must receive Thread credentials from the router. We put the EVE sensor in pairing mode, choose Add a Matter device, scan the QR code, accept it, and wait for the connection. Now, whenever motion is detected, the light turns on. As well as security, one of the biggest benefits of containerization for operators is modularity. If the user wants to run smart home software, antivirus, parental control, other apps, or perform a partial upgrade of a selected system component, the operator can deploy it remotely as a container. It could even be offered as part of a premium subscription plan. The Console Thread team are experts in software containerization, broadband solution, and smart home integration. We also specialize in media solutions, embedded platforms, artificial intelligence, and much more. If you would like to know more or work with us, feel free to reach out. We would love to collaborate on your next project.